Hey guys, I'm making a follow-up video to the CB350 parts bike build. Again, this is the bike that I took the engine from to build the other CB125. I actually managed to find an SL125 engine on Facebook, which someone was selling for nothing, along with a big box of parts. So I snapped that up, knowing, or at least figuring, that it would fit in this CB125 frame, and it did. So I got it all mounted up, and had to figure out the clutch cable routing. I actually ended up watching a lot of SL125 videos to see how this little bracket went on. I think that's about right. What else? I haven't put the pipes on because the CB125 flange that I had doesn't fit, so I got one of those on order. I'm going to have to modify the exhaust bracket. I also have to put a new gasket in. There's a little oil leaking at the bottom. But generally speaking, I think it's doing okay. I have a carb in there that I think is pretty much ready to go. I have an aftermarket coil, and as you can see, it doesn't quite line up. Got a new condenser, so new coil and condenser. Let's see, grabbed a couple of switches. These are either the parts pile or from the old CB125, but got the clutch all hooked in. We've got the throttle that's also hooked in. The front brake is not, so I guess I'll do that at some point. I sprayed the rustiest spots with a bunch of phosphoric acid gel, so you can see that's kind of what's left, kind of residue there. But the rust has come off, and I'll brush that off and give this a proper clean at some point. So I am waiting for a bunch of stuff in the mail, including a pod filter for the carburetor, and a bunch of other stuff, gasket. And once the pod filter is here, what I'll do is I'll take a small 12-volt battery and stick it here, plug that directly into the coil, and then see if I can fire it up. So that's how it looks.